Okay, perfect. Okay, so okay, so now let's like read through the words. Okay, so repeat after me. Répétez avec moi. So
What?
le ski
Le ski
means skiing.
means skiing.
La luge
La luge
is sledding.
is sledding.
Le casque
La casque
is helmet.
is helmet.
Les skis
Le ski
is skis.
skis.
L'alpinisme.
L'alpinisme is mountain climbing.
Yeah, mountain climbing. Very good. La planche à neige.
La planche is snowboarding.
Yes. Les bottes.
Le boat is boot.
Yes. Les gants.
Is gloves.
Yes. La planche à neige.
Is snowboard.
Yeah. And la télésage.
La is sky lift.
It's a ski lift. You know,
Ski
like the machine that brings you to the top of the hill?
Okay, ski lift.
Yeah, it's a ski lift. Okay, so you can go over these words. It should not take you that long to kind of like memorize them. Okay, and then let's go over, let's add a few more words now. Okay, I won't make you memorize it by tomorrow. I mean, if we'd have class tomorrow, but you're gonna have some time to study them. So let's add a few more words to our list, and then we're gonna go over a worksheet together. So, dans le ciel. Okay, this means in the sky. In the sky, right? We know the word le means the, and dans means in. Okay, ciel means sky. So we have dans le ciel, and we can even like consider like a category. So actually, I'm just gonna write it like that. Dans le ciel. Yeah. Okay, so some activities we can do in the sky is le parachutisme. What word does it sound like? Parachutisme.
What? What were you saying?
Okay, so I just wrote this word. I'll kind of write it nicer. Okay, le parachutisme. Looking at the
parachuting. I think it means like skydiving.
Yeah, very good. Parachuting or skydiving. Excellent. The parachuting. Okay, and okay, yeah, so why don't you just copy these down? The rest are kind of different, that's why. I won't think you would guess the meaning of it. La vola voix, vol, yeah. Okay. So that's like in the sky, we can do parachuting and we can do gliding, which is kind of similar to parachuting, but yeah, it's another word. Okay, then dans l'eau or à l'eau is in the water.
We can also do bungee jumping in the sky.
Yeah, we can do also bungee jumping, yeah.
I forgot to write that.
Yeah, I think you have enough words to study right now. But yeah, that's also in the sky. In the water, okay, what's the first thing you think we can do in the water?
Scuba diving.
Scuba diving? Okay, yeah, that's good. So la plongée sous-marine. Marine, okay, this means scuba diving. Let me make my screen.
We can also do fishing.
Scuba diving. Okay, yeah, fishing is a good one. I don't have it on my list right now, so I won't add it.
We can swim.
Yes, swimming is on my list. I'll write that.
We can do water yoga in the water.
Yeah, we can.
There's many things we can do.
Yeah, we can do sailing. Love what?
We can
The
also do, what do you call that? Surfboarding. Do you know that board that
oh
people
yeah,
stand on, surfboard?
yeah.
There are many things that we can do, and there are many things that we can do in the sky too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's why we should know a few words in French to refer to them. So le canotage is oops. Canotage is canoeing.
Yes. You know, I forgot to tell you, this weekend we went canoeing.
Really?
Yes, we sat in an actual canoe.
Oh wow, that's amazing. That's so cool.
Yes. And we had to drive it ourselves.
Wow.
Can you just go a little bit up because I cannot see it?
Okay, yeah, that's better, I hope.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, now you know the word in French for canoeing. Le canotage.
The Canada's.
Yeah. I never went canoeing. I wanna.
Yeah, it's in like Toronto, and the price was very affordable.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna ask my mom if I can go. Okay, so I'll let you copy these down for a minute.
You know, we forgot one sport over there, hockey.
Hockey? Yeah, I'm gonna write hockey. That's gonna go in our on-land sports. So
Okay.
that's the next category we're gonna do. Let me just add two more words here. So when you were in the canoe, what were you wearing?
Life jackets.
Yes. Okay. So to say that in French, that would be le gilet de sauvetage. So le gilet de sauvetage. Sauvetage. Okay. Le gilet de sauvetage is life jacket.
Does gilet means life?
Gilet? I'm not exactly sure. Let me check in the dictionary real quick. Gilet means vest. Yeah, this part it means vest. It's more like safety vest.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Le costume de bain. Okay. So when you go swimming, what do you wear?
A swimming costume.
Yeah, a bathing suit. Perfect. So that is le costume de bain. Est-ce que tu finis?
No.
No?
There's
Okay.
also one other sport that we do in the water, but I'm forgetting the name of.
Um, hmm. Hmm. I don't know, like what you do in it?
I think there's another sport, but I don't know.
Yeah, that's okay.
We can also go like to see to see sharks. Like if we like people put us in a cage and then we go in the water and we can see the sharks.
Yeah.
You forgot to add that.
It's very similar to scuba diving, right? Because when you like go in the water and then you see the fish and all the animals.
But that's different than scuba
Yeah,
diving.
yeah, that's different. But that's okay.
Well, you are in a cage and the sharks are around you and they try to come in the cage.
Mm-hmm, that's dangerous.
I want to go there one day.
You want to go there? Okay.
Yes. Now what are we doing?
Okay, so wait, our last category is on land. Okay, so of course there are a lot of sports you can play on land, but let's just kind of like know the words for the most common ones. So like you said, le hockey. Le hockey is hockey.
Basketball,
Yes, okay. Let me add that. So le hockey. We have le basketball. Oops, why is my pen
skateboarding,
being so weird? Yeah, le basketball is how you say basketball.
love skateboarding,
Okay, le skateboarding. I'm not exactly sure what the exact word for it is, but let's add le tennis.
the tennis. We can also play table tennis.
Yeah, le tableau tennis, I guess the word would be for that. And then let's add baseball. Le baseball.
Baseball.
Okay, and as you can see, the words for it are very similar. So
There's also another one that we play on land.
which one?
There are many.
Yeah, there are many, but yeah, that's we're only gonna do a few.
Gymnastics,
Gymnastics, yeah.
ice hockey,
Ice hockey, yeah, very similar to hockey. Le hockey. Okay, so why don't you copy these down and then we can do some verb conjugation practice again.
okay. We can also do ice skating.
Yeah, ice skating. Okay, so are you done copying it down?
Yes, I'm copying it down.
Okay.
But there are so many sports.
Yeah, there are a lot. Right? If we sit down and write all of them, then we'll never finish. Never ending list. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add one more thing. But basically for these verbs, So these ones, okay?
Yes.
Hockey, soccer, and tennis and basketball, all these kind of words, we use the verb jouer à, and that means to play. Okay, so that's if you want to say like I play hockey, you would say je joue le hockey. If you want to say I play basketball, je joue le basketball. So yeah, that's the verb we use. And then we have to, of course, it's an ER verb. So depending on if it's depending on like your pronoun, like me or you who we're talking about, you would conjugate it.
Okay.
Okay. So I have to add that, and I have to add another thing at the top. I just want you to finish copying so I can scroll up.
Let me just write this part too. Jouer la balle.
Yeah. Jouer à, to play.
Done.
Okay. Est-ce que tu finis? Oui, okay. So let's read through these words we added, okay? So dans le ciel
Dans le ciel,
is in the sky.
in the sky.
Sorry, not la. Le parachutisme,
Le parachutisme.
parachuting.
Parachuting.
Le vol à voile
Le vent à voile
is gliding.
is gliding.
À l'eau
Hello,
is in the water.
the water.
La plongée sous-marine,
La plongée, scuba diving.
scuba diving, yeah. La
La
natation,
natation, swimming.
swimming, yeah. La voile,
La one,
does it mean?
what?
Sailing.
Sailing.
Le canotage
La canotage,
is
canoeing.
canoeing. Yes. Le canot
La canoe,
is the canoe.
the canoe.
Le gilet de sauvetage,
La gilet, the sabotage, life jackets.
life jacket, yes. Le costume de bain
The costume, the bath,
is bathing suit.
bathing suit.
À terre
Okay.
is on land.
On land.
Le hockey
The hockey.
is hockey. Le basketball,
The basketball is basketball.
yes. Le tennis,
The tennis is tennis.
tennis, and le baseball,
The baseball is baseball.
baseball, yes. And do you notice how all of these have the article le?
Yes, and we can also write cricket and all of the other stuff.
Yeah, we can add cricket and other stuff. So basically most of these sports you can see the word for it is masculine.
Yes, because mostly men play sports.
If you want to remember it that way, you could, but the article is le versus la. If it was la, we would use it like a feminine word, but these words are masculine. Okay. And yeah. Okay, and I want to add one more thing. You know the first few we did? Okay, these ones are on the mountain. So to say on the mountain, you can say a la montagne.
How would I write this now? Because this whole page is spelled. Till where is the mountain?
On the mountain. You can write at the end. That's fine too, as long as like you kind of know the word.
No, actually, the whole page is full. There is no space.
There's no, oh wow. Yeah, I did lots of writing today, mashallah. Do you think you can add it on the another page?
Maybe I can just write it on the, maybe you can just tell me, I can just circle that part. Which part is that? And I can just write it on the top.
Yeah, it's at the very top, like at the very beginning. You should just like add it like somewhere here.
Okay.
Okay, hopefully you can find some space to fit it in. I kind of forgot about that word. Ala Montagne.
Yes, I can fit it in.
Okay, perfect.
I think I would be only able to fit the French part.
Mm-hmm. Est-ce que tu finis?
No.
No? Okay.
Oui.
Oui? Okay, perfect. So now, let's go over something we did before. Okay, but this is the IR verb endings, okay?
Yeah.
So what I want to do, actually, yeah, let's go over it together. So, je agis.
Agis.
Okay, so IS.
IS.
Okay, tu
Agis.
agis. IS.
IS.
Yes. Il, elle,
Il
agit.
agit.
IT. Yes. Nous agissons.
Nous agissons.
Vous agissez.
Nous agissez.
Ils, elles agissent.
Ils agissent.
Okay, so it's a ISSONS.
ISSONS.
For nous, okay, then for vous, it's ISSEZ.
ISSEZ.
And for ils and elles, it's ISSENT.
ISSENT.
Okay, so now let's do the worksheet for IR practice. Okay. So, yeah, okay.
Can you send me this worksheet? I can just print it right now.
Yeah, I emailed it to you before class.
Just because you emailed it to me.
Yeah, yeah, if you check it. I did it before class because then it wastes like class time, right? Trying to attach it. So I did it right before class. You should have got it by now. The problem is that the worksheet, like the PDF of it, it has the answers at the end. So I can't like send to you too much before class because like you're not supposed to see it.
I'm gonna see, but I cannot find it. Can you just send it again?
Send it again. Let me check down my email if I. Okay, so from Sarah Y2K at Gmail. If I go to my sent mails, it says IRRE French conjugation worksheet.
I have the IR one, but I need the ER one.
Oh, so basically the one that says, like, it's basically this one. Can you see this one? Like, there's two documents on it.
Yes, and both of them we haven't done, or both of them we have done.
We haven't done any of these two. These two are new.
I can still not find it. I'm so sorry.
You didn't get an email today?
No.
No?
Just send it to me again.
Okay.
And
Wait.
then I can just like print it down and I can just write it like I did with the ER word.
Yeah. Let me think. Maybe, wait, what do you have your Zoom on? Is it on your computer?
Yes.
Yeah, let me try attaching it on the Zoom.
No, please. From Zoom is pretty hard to transfer it on my phone, and it just send it on the email. Email is better.
Okay, if email is better, I can try sending it again. So if I want to, okay, I'll just reattach it and do it again. Okay, so it's the Kishore one, right? Kishore below at gmail.com.
Yes.
Okay, French worksheet. What's the date today?
The date is 18.
18th. Okay, let me just add the date there. Insert file. Oops. I was making funny noises. Okay. So we have R irregular. Actually, let me send you IR first. So IR and have to add PDF. Okay. I'll send you this today. Maybe if I send one, it'll come faster. Okay, so did you get it yet?
I'm just going to open my email again. I'm going to try it.
Okay. Okay, let me just write the verbs you have to conjugate.
Yes, I got it.
You got it? Okay, perfect. Okay, so you can print it. And in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna write the verbs you have to conjugate. So we have finir, we have choisir, we have remplir. Right, today they're all IR verbs because they're all ending with IR. Okay, then we have bâtir. Okay, obey is obéir. We have punir. We have applaudir. Accomplir.
Should I print it right now or should I print it later?
How long does it take to print?
10 minutes.
It'll take 10 minutes? Okay, how about we work through it together and then you can copy it down for homework, okay?
Yeah, or I can print it for homework.
Yeah, you can print it and then write it for homework.
Yes.
Okay, so okay, so let's first go over a few things. So what does je mean in French?
Je means I.
I, good. And je, tu is?
You.
You, okay. And then it's
You
like
singular.
yeah, it's singular, very good. And it's also like when you know someone like your friend, someone you're familiar with, you would use tu. Okay? And il and elle means?
What?
Il and elle?
Il, L, L mean he and she.
Yes, very good. He is il and she is elle. Okay, then nous is?
We.
We, very good. Vous?
You plural.
You plural, okay. And also, if you want to say, so it's you plural, but if you're talking to like a professor or someone like you want to respect, you can also use it in like a respectful way to one person.
Yes.
Okay, so respectful one person, right? And then vous, and then we have ils, elles.
Ils, else, they.
They, very good. Okay, so I'm just gonna add that there just to make it a little easier when you do number one. So how about you try? So for number one, how would you say they?
Ils.
Yeah, you can choose one. Ils. Okay, and then why don't you put your what's the ending for finir?
F, I, double N. I, double N. I, ENT.
ENT, very good.
Can I just look at the picture and do it because I have a picture of it?
Yeah. Look at the picture. It'll help you get familiar with it.
Yes.
Okay. So that's ils finissant.
Then it's going to be.
So let's do number two together now.
Yeah,
So
it's going to be il
eel, very good.
And it's going to be C H O I S I S.
IT. Okay, so for eel, it's eel or L, it's IT. Remember? Why not I just write that to the side of here, okay? So our endings were okay, so for J it was IS, for eel L it was IS. This is the endings by the way, okay? Let me write endings here. Okay, then for eel and L it was IT, noose it was ISSONS, vu was ISSEZ, and eels as was
ISSENT.
ISSENT. Yeah, very good. Okay, so I'm just gonna add that over here. Okay, so how would you do number 3?
Number 3, it's going to be 2.
2, yeah. Wait, I'm trying to get the same color. I think it was this color. Wait, brown color? Okay, I want to match. Yeah, so I is J.
Sure. And it's going to be IS.
Yeah, okay, so REMP. And then what would you write after?
IS.
Yeah, LIS, rempli. Like that. Okay, now let's do number 4 together.
And 4 is going to be like 2.
2, very good. And how would you spell batir?
BAT.
Yeah,
IS.
IS, very good. 2 bati.
2 Betty.
Okay,
It's going to be eels.
okay, so for they, yes, it's eels.
And the answer is going to be OB.
Yeah,
ISSENT.
obisant. Yeah, and this one also has an accent here. Wait, no, obiscient. Okay. Actually, the spelling for this one is a little weird. I don't know if I spelled it weird. Okay, wait, I have to double check number 5. Okay, but for number 6.
Number 6 is going to be eel.
Okay, so L.
L.
Okay, that one's L, and paneer.
What?
How would you spell it?
P
Yeah.
U N
Yes.
PUNIT.
IT. Very good. Okay. How about for number 7?
Should I just tell you the ending or should I spell the whole word too?
You should spell the whole word.
Okay.
Okay, so J. Very good.
APP
Yes.
LAUDIS.
Yeah. IS. Okay. And then how about number 8?
That's new.
New. Excellent.
Can you move it to the side?
Oh, yeah, sure. Is that better?
Yes. ISSONS.
Accomplissance. Okay, excellent. Number 9.
It's going to be VU.
Vu for she.
Oh, sorry, it's C. I thought it was the 12th one. I thought it was the 10th one.
Yeah, no, we're on number 9.
It's eel.
Yeah, very good. L.
L.
L, okay. And then, oh, I didn't write the verb for it. Okay, so for this one, it is réussir.
It's going to be REUSSIR. REUSSIT.
IT, excellent. Réussite. Okay, let's see how many do we have left. Okay, let's do until 12 together. So actually, let's do all, I think I'll finish them.
टीचर से हाँ टीचर क्लास लंबी नहीं ले पाएगी तो कल है ना हम क्लास लेके जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे तुम्हारा लेट हो जाएगा ना हाँ कोई बात नहीं वो टीचर को बोले हम क्लास लेके जाएंगे मैंने बोल दिया हमें कल पढ़ना होना भी कल बहुत पढ़ने वाले हैं Okay, what were you saying?
Yeah, so for number 10,
Yes, it's going to be 2.
2, excellent. Wait, okay, yeah, I'll write 2 for now. And oh, I should have written the verbs. Okay, let me take 1 second to actually write them. This one is avertir, avertir. I accidentally gave the answer. Anyways, this one's réfléchir. Okay, this one is bâtir. This one is applaudissir. This is finir. This is avertir. Okay, now let's do it. So number 10 is this one, by the way.
A.
So A.
AVER.
AVER, yes.
T.
T.
IS.
IS. Okay, very good. Yeah. 2 IS. Perfect. Okay, number 11.
Number 11 is eel.
Eel, very good.
And it's going to be RE.
Yeah.
REFI.
F. This is L.
FLECH.
Yeah.
And it's going to be IT.
IT. Perfect, Mahnur. Excellent. Number 12.
Number 12, it's going to be the eel.
Okay, so for they, you want to use the else? Okay, we can also do else. So let's do else.
It's going to be one BAI.
T.
I double S.
Yeah.
I double S ENT.
But this sound. Yes. You know what I did? I accidentally gave the answer. So this should be batir. I was like, yeah, like why did I spell it like that? Okay, yeah. But yeah, you were right. Instead of IR, you put IS.
Yes. And I wasn't able to even figure it out. You give me the answer.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, number 13.
No.
No, excellent. See, you're so much faster at it now. Applaudir.
Applaudi A double P.
Yes.
LAU.
Yes.
AUD.
Yes.
I double S EZ.
EZ. For new. Want double check?
ONS.
ONS. Perfect. Oops. It's not going back. Okay. ONS. Perfect. And for number 14.
Number 14 is J.
J. Perfect.
FIN. IS.
IS. Perfect. Okay. Number 15.
It's going to be eels.
So eel, right? He. So just singular eel.
Eel, and it's going to be I. It's going to be AVE. R.
Yeah.
TIS.
TI eel and L is yeah T. IT.
Refund the money. Now what should I do? Because you know what? It was my PR. Oh, okay.
Okay, so just finished this worksheet today. So number 6, oh, I didn't write the verb. Okay, so choisir is choose. Choisir, right? Obey is obey. Okay, and then accomplishes is accomplir. Why did I write is? Oh my god. Obey, accomplir. Fill is remplir. Remplir, and then punish is punir. Punir, yeah. Okay, so number 16.
Number 16. It's going to be new.
New, excellent.
It's going to be CHOIS.
IS.
It's going to be ISSONS.
ONS, mashallah, Mahnur, perfect. Okay,
It's
number 2, very good.
going to be OBE.
OBE.
IS.
IS, perfect. Number 18.
It's going to be IL.
Okay, so the way you say it, so this one's L, like E, like L, okay?
L. It's going to be ACC.
Yes.
ON.
Yeah.
PL. IT.
IT, mashallah. Okay, number 19.
It's going to be IL.
Okay, so we can use eels if you want.
ILS. It's going to be REM.
REM.
P.
P.
I. P.
So LI. This is an L, by the way.
I. P. L. I. Double
Yeah.
S.
Yes.
E. N. T.
Yeah, mashallah. Perfect. And one more, number 20.
2.
Okay, so we looked, it says you formal. Okay, so
Sorry, it's going to be VU.
VU, excellent.
It's going to be PUN.
Mm-hmm.
I. Double S. E.
Yes. EZ, mashallah, perfect. Okay, so
Can you do a little bit maths?
a little bit math. Oh, we have like 3 minutes now.
We can try because I had some difficulty, I think.
Okay, let's quickly see. Maybe we can do like at least 1 or 2 questions. Okay, we have like 3 minutes, but it's okay. Okay, so was it the same topic that there was so much adding and subtracting in it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, wait, mashallah, you did this one to 100%. Wait, so you finished all of them?
Yes, it was another one.
Oh, it's another one? So which one was
This
it?
one, the standard form.
The standard form. Oh, so the scientific notation one?
Yes.
Yeah, this one was a little bit, yeah, we didn't spend too much time on it. So let's see if we can finish this today. So how do you write 10 to the exponent? Wait, let me erase this. Okay. How do you write 8.97 times 10 to the exponent negative 1? So when it's negative, you actually go left, even though it's multiplying, right? You have to look at 2 things. One is, are you multiplying or dividing? And if you're going positive is right, negative is left.
When we are going negative, it's going to be 0.897.
Yes, very good. So 0.897, 0.97, excellent. Let's try this one. Oops. Okay, so this one we're multiplying and it's a positive exponent.
It's going to be 74.
Okay, but we're going 5, remember? So 1, 2, 3. Actually, let me write it separately because when I write it here, you can't see where the zeros have to be. Oops, can't you write 7.4? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Okay, so what would I type in?
We are going to write 74 and you are going to write 0, 0, 0, 0.
0. Excellent. Okay, yes, we got the challenge zone. Perfect. And do this. Okay. So how would you write this in scientific notation?
We are
Okay.
going to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so let me double check. So we did 1, 2,
Why are you putting
4,
it
5,
right after 9? We have to
7,
take it to
8,
4 and 2.
9. Okay, so you have to stop over here after 9 because 9.62 is between 0 and 10.
Is it supposed to be 1 and 10?
Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be 1 and 10 because, yeah, you're right. I do not know why I said 0. Okay, yeah, it's
But
supposed to
2
be between 1
and
and
4 are also between 1 and 10.
2 and 4. No, you have to like make like the decimal portion of it. So basically, like you don't look at just the first number. You look at like the whole thing. Like 9.624 is less than 10.
Yes.
Okay, so that's how you do it, right? So yeah, so this is like 9 zeros, right? I mean, sorry, not 9 zeros. 9 like skips.
Yes.
9 jumps. I'll just write. Okay, so then what would your decimal portion be? I already wrote it on the screen. So that should be it.
9.624.
624, 9.624, yes. And then for the exponents, so when you're going from like a smaller to a bigger number, so basically like this number is very small, right? Look at all these zeros after the decimal, right?
Yes.
So your exponent will actually be negative. I'm not right, negative. Did you see why? Because when we have this number, we have to divide it by, we have to like, yeah, go left
Yes.
to get back here. So what would your exponent be? Oops. It was 9. Okay, so basically your exponent would be negative 9. Do you understand why? She disappeared. I should not know it disconnected. Hi, so you got disconnected. Did you hear my explanation to why it's negative 9?
No, I don't think so. I just got disconnected.
Yeah. Okay, so basically, you know how it's like 9.624? So when you to get back to this very small number, 0.000, you have to go left. And when you have to go left, it's negative.
Yes.
Okay, so that's how you got the exponent negative 9. Okay, so how about you try this one last one and then we'll end the class.
Can we just finish this topic and you can give me a new topic?
No, it's okay. Today you have all the French vocabulary for homework, and then tomorrow you're taking the class, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so tomorrow I'll give you new math.
Can you just help me just finish this one at least?
I have
do we
to
have
go
to do?
somewhere. I have to go
Okay.
somewhere. Okay, so let's do this together. I think you're gonna get it after this, okay?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 jumps.
8 jumps. Okay, so I got 9 jumps. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, 9 jumps.
Okay, so what would your decimal portion be?
It's going to be 6.0065.
Very good. And well, okay, so yeah, what would the exponent be?
9.
9, right? And it's gonna be positive because to get back to this number, oops, I can't draw anymore. But to get back to original
This
number,
one?
you have to go right.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. So it's at 94, and I think you'll be able to finish this. So you have to just finish this for homework, and I'll see you next class, inshallah, tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, Allah Hafiz, Mahnoor.
Hafiz.
Class is over. Bye.